Today we're making something spinny and fun. A sorting spinner with a paper plate and a clothespin. How resourceful of ya! Let's get started. Draw lines on a paper plate or a round piece of cardboard to make it look like a pizza. Make 4 big old slices. In each section, write how you're going to group things. By color, size, shape, and by type. These are called attributes. Ask a grown-up to help you poke a small hole in the center of your plate. Cut a small piece of cardboard measuring 1 clothespin tall and 2 clothespins wide. Poke a hole in the center of this too. Cut off both tips of the toothpick and insert it through both the paper and cardboard holes. Tape the cardboard to the bottom of the paper plate. You've got a spinner stick. Flip your plate to show the pizza slices and clip your clothespin on the stick. Whee! You've got a spinner. Hold the spinner from the toothpick on the bottom and flick your clothespin to see where it lands. What does that say? Group your toys by size. All the littles, the mediums, and the biggies. By color, red's here, orange is there, yellow's over there. What a fun game!